Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up some broccoli cheese soup, and here's what you'll be needing. All right, here in my pan I have 4 tablespoons of butter that I've melted. And now to that I'm going to add a half of a medium onion, and we're just going to let this cook till this gets pretty tender. Probably 5 minutes or so on a lowly sauteing it. All right. Okay, these been sauteing a good 5 to 6 minutes. You're just going to cook them till they start to get tender. And you don't want them browned. Okay, now to this I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of flour. I'm just going to cook this for a couple of minutes. Oops, I forgot my garlic here. I've got 2 finely minced cloves of garlic, medium cloves. And we're just going to cook this a minute or two. Okay, I had that cooking there just for a few minutes there. Now to that, I'm going to add in chicken broth. And we're going to bring this up to a boil. Let this come to a boil. Okay, I got this all nice and smooth. Now to this, I'm going to add in my milk. It's 1 cup of milk, whole fat milk. I'm going to add in 1 cup. Now you can use heavy cream, or you can use this, what I like to use, which is the, let me get the can here. A lot of you that are not familiar with it. The crema is showing strawberries on there, but it's not sweet. It's just cream, like a table cream, but it's really creamy. It gives a beautiful consistency to your soup. Now there is strawberry flavor. Even though it's showing strawberry on there, it doesn't mean it's strawberry. It'll say strawberry on the can. Just don't buy the strawberry flavor. Okay, now to that, I'm going to add in, I got probably about 3/4 cups to a cup of carrots. I got the little julienne ones. You can buy them just like that already. Hand me that broccoli there. And I'm going to throw in 2.5 to 3 cups. I bought 1 big size, medium size head of broccoli. And we're just going to cook this on a medium-low heat until this all starts getting nice and tender. Probably maybe 15 to 20 minutes. And I am going to put the lid on it. And then we'll get the cheese added. All right. Okay, I turned my heat off. And mine cooked almost a half hour. I guess it just depends on how big you cut your broccoli. I do not like mine in real small pieces. Now, if you see yours is too big and you want it smaller, I always get in there just with a potato masher and just mash a little bit up. But I like mine kind of chunky, but if you want to break it down just a little, you can by all means. Now, my heat is off. Now to this, a lot of people do not like American cheese, processed cheese. To me, I like it in soups because it gives more of a better consistency of the soup. Now you can use your cheddar cheese, but I'm using an 8-ounce block of freshly shredded. Because if you use the packaged stuff, it has that some kind of starch coating on it, and it just does not melt as well. So with your heat off, stir in your freshly grated cheese, cheddar, sharp cheddar cheese, or the American cheese is what I'm using. And that's in 8-ounce blocks. And make sure your heat is off, like I said. Because if you're doing this with cheddar, it can break and get gritty on you. So this is what I'm going to do. Just keep stirring this in and we'll bowl it up. Okay, guys, there's the finished soup. It is delicious. You could serve this up with some crusty bread. We have some little oyster crackers. We're going to eat a few of those with it. Now, salt and pepper, I did, I think, like a quarter of a teaspoon of salt because you do have your chicken broth that's salted. Now, if you're using a lower sodium, you may want to add more. But salt is definitely to your liking. I think, like I said, I used a quarter teaspoon. But here it is, guys. And it's delicious. Look at all them goodies in there, that broccoli. And I drizzled a little bit more cheese on top. We love the cheese. I'm going to take a bite here with you guys. Now, believe it or not, Curtis likes this. And Curtis don't like broccoli. Now, like I said, you can break your broccoli up more if you want, but I like it chunky. That is delicious. But this is my bowl, so there it is, guys. I hope you enjoy, and thank you to all of my new subscribers. I'm recognizing each and every one of you, and each and every one of you every day is so appreciated. You taking the time to come and watch and tag along. So until next Sunday, you guys make you up some soup. It's getting cold. It's delicious. And we will see you guys later. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.